Hey, what's up everyone? Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids. Today I want to talk to you about a ThruNite product. This is the new V6, and by new, what I really mean is a new color. So it originally came in black, and now you can get it in this green here. So I'll roll in some photos here so you can see what it looks like in full daylight or brighter sun, but you can see it's definitely like a forest green. I think they call it an army green, which I think it could pass for that. This is the Catapult V6. So this thing is made to be a compact thrower. As far as your size of it, just look at like the size of my hand compared to this. I mean, it's that size flashlight, not this width as far as the bezel, but that size flashlight I'd carry as an EDC light. So this is not an everyday carry light, but super compact. It is USB rechargeable, as you can see on the back. It does come with, I guess, kind of a unique battery. This is the 26, let me make sure I say it right, 26650. This is 3.7 volts and 5,000 milliamps. So there's that. It looks, at first glance, I think some people might think it looks like an 18650, but it is actually a bit chunkier, a bit heavier. So this light is made to be a thrower, thus the name Catapult. With the light, you're going to get the sheath, which is pretty basic. ThruNite sheath. It's going to do the job. You do get the USB recharging cord. I will tell you that when I got it, the battery probably took about maybe an hour and a half or 2 hours to charge up. You do also get a couple extra things here. You can see that split ring. You get a lanyard. You get an extra couple O-rings, and then I think that's a button replacement there as well. Let me double check here. Yeah, it looks like a button replacement as well. And then there is always you get the instructions here, like so. It does come in a, let me see, that way. There you go. It does come in a couple different languages. Let me give you the quick rundown on your output. You got a Firefly at 0.5 lumens that's gonna run for 41 days, a low 22 lumens for 62 hours, a medium 180 lumens for 9 hours, and I'll show you all these at nighttime in a little bit here on the video. You have a high 950 lumens, that's for 165 minutes, and then a turbo is 1700 lumens for 150 minutes. You also have a power capacity indicator, so when it is blue on the, I'll show you here, the little button right there, you can see there's like a little opening right there in the center, and it's going to shine blue through there. It means you're 21 to 100%. If it's red, you're at 11 to 20%. If it's flashing red, you're at 1 to 10%. And if it's off, it means obviously the battery is dead. IPX8 rated, so it's good down to 2 meters, drop resistant to 1.5 meters, and your distance as far as your throw is 750 meters max. So that's an ideal situation. But having used the original V6 that came in black, this is going to function the same way. Looking at it, your max output 1700 lumens, same as the original one, but just a cool new color. Standard as far as the function for most ThruNites, so hold it down. It's going to come on at that Firefly, and then you're going to hold it. It's going to go low, medium, high, and then back to low, medium, high. It won't go all the way back to the Firefly. Double click, it'll go to turbo. You do have a strobe feature as well, 1200 lumens for 180 minutes. I'm going to put it on, double click up to the turbo output. When I double click, it's going to go to strobe here, so strobe warning. There's your strobe. Hit it once, and it's going to go back off. So the function is similar to most other ThruNites, just a cool new color. If you saw my video not too long ago, I talked about the T1, and I'm forgetting the name of the other one, maybe the TC12 or TC10, I can't remember right now, but they have them in basically flat dark earth. I really like those two lights as far as their function, and then also the color as well, and cool to have this this color as well, this dark green. For me, bag light, car light, not an everyday carry light, emergency home light, yeah. More so a car light, so I can, if I need to like shine it off in the distance to look for something, this is a light I really like for that. Okay, we're outside now. Let's go through the different outputs here for the Catapult. So we'll put it on at the Firefly level. So looking at my steps that are about, whatever, 2 feet down from me because I'm on the top steps, a little bit hard to see. You can see it there, that's definitely on. But it definitely has a hot center. It is meant to be a thrower, so it's not going to have a ton of flood, but there you can see it at the lowest setting, and then I'll just cycle through. And now turbo. Okay, we're looking at the woods, which is about 55 feet away. Firefly setting, can't really see a whole lot. There's your low, medium. There's your high. And then Let's go to turbo here. So I mean, I don't know if you could see the beam actually. So definitely meant to be a thrower. Okay, looking back at the car from the woods we were just looking at, we're about probably 65 feet away. You can see a little reflection off the back light there. Now we'll go low, medium, high, turbo. So yeah, I mean, once again, you can see just the laser of a light coming out of there. Let's walk back toward the woods and see what we can see. This is on high as I walk. Let me actually go down to about a medium as I walk. Definitely you can see that hot center, but from the hot center on either side as I'm walking here, I could probably see out probably 6 feet. So you could definitely, you know, walk around with it if you wanted to. There's my shed back there. And let me, something is reflecting back at me. Can't see exactly what it is. I think it's a bucket there. But let me, yeah, we got a bucket down there. So let me go low, medium, high. And there's your turbo again. Yeah, you can see the bucket now. So you're definitely getting much more light at the turbo setting, but even at the high setting, it's definitely very impressive. Let me take a look here to the backyard over the fence, and just you can like look up into the trees here. Once again, this is just at the high setting. Now we'll go up to turbo. Yeah, I mean, if you are out trying to spot animals, this thing is definitely launching some really nice light. Just to show you down in on the ground there, I mean, definitely a very hot center. There's your high. So you can see you have that hot center, but I mean, you can definitely see the lettuce there. You can see the corn starting to grow back there, even when I'm shining it in the middle. So you will get a little bit of that flood effect, but definitely not like a light that's built to be a floodlight. That smooth reflector is definitely gonna put the light out into the darkness. Okay, I'm 20 feet away from my back gate to get into the backyard there. Let me just show you the different outputs here so you can see what it looks like on the fence. So it's on at Firefly. It's hard for me to see. I mean, I can see okay, but you definitely can't see it on camera. Let me go to low, medium, high, and then turbo. So there's low, medium, there's the high, and now turbo. And now strobe, so strobe warning. Alright guys, you've seen the V6 in action. Yeah, I mean, the cool feature here is that, again, it's in this forest green, army green. Price point for the original is going to be around 70 bucks, and this one's up to around $90. ThruNite has been putting out more interesting colors over the past, I would say, 6 months or so. And they've also slowed down on just like pumping out a ton of products. When they first came out, they just had like, it felt like every month there was a new flashlight. They haven't put out as many recently, but seems like the ones they put out in the last, I would say, 6 to 8 months have been quite good. So if you own one of the Catapult V6 lights, let me know. Let me hear your thoughts and experience with it. This for me is one of those compact throwers. It's not going to be equivalent to something that's got a massive bezel. I've got something from Astrolux and I've got one from Nitecore that's got a bezel that's probably twice as big, so it's going to give a bigger spot. But as far as a compact, like handheld size, easy to carry, throw in a bag type thrower, this is one I've used and I could definitely recommend. So let's hear your thoughts in the comment section. Alright guys, thanks as always for checking out the videos here on YouTube. Please subscribe to Everyday Tactical Vids if you haven't done so already. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, check us out on Instagram, Tumblr, and Vero as well. More videos coming soon. Take care.